Hi everyone, I'm here to give you your December 2022 market update. But before I get into the market update, I am here in Woodland Hills, Utah. It's on the south end of Utah County. Gorgeous, gorgeous mountains behind me. I love this time of year. Everything starts to be peppered with snow and get very festive, as I'm sure you do too. There is so much growth happening here in the south end of the county. And I think over the next 10 to 15 years, south of Provo, between Provo and Santaquin, we're gonna see a lot of growth. So if you've never taken a trip down here, drive around sometime. You will be awestruck by the beauty that you find. Okay, the first market update for you today. The FHFA has raised the conforming limit once again. Now, conforming loans are typically the best product for getting in with a low down payment and very low mortgage insurance and really great interest rates. So they have raised the limit from $647,200 to $726,200 for 2023. So what that means is you could get into a home, or somebody you know could get into a home with 5% down at a price of almost $765,000. Okay, so that is great news for us here in Utah, where we've seen a lot of appreciation and growth over the past couple of years especially, and the market continues to, the forecast continues to be positive for what will come of Utah in the coming decade and coming years. My second update for you today is to think like a homeowner, not an investor when it comes to your primary residence. I see a lot of people who are sitting on the sidelines because everybody's telling them, oh, the market's gonna crash, there's gonna be a huge problem, a huge correction, you should just wait. Well, those of us who are in the industry who see the inventory levels and know that we're still getting back to a more balanced level from where we have been over the past decade, know that if everybody waits for whatever, for rates to come down, for a deeper recession, and then everybody jumps back in, guess what? We're gonna have the same problem that we've had with prices going up double-digit growth year over year, which is not sustainable and a lot more difficult. So think like a homeowner. Don't put your life on hold if you're thinking, you know what, I'm gonna wait 1 or 2 years. The one exception to that might be if you're not gonna stay put for at least a couple years, okay, go ahead and wait. But if you have a 3, 4, 5 or longer year plan for where you want to live, don't put your life on hold. You will be fine in the long term. The quality of life will be so much better, and you will build so much more wealth over renting and waiting. My last update for you is to pay it forward, okay? Think of somebody this month, especially the month of December, that you can reach out to and you can help. It's the perfect time of year to evaluate priorities, to evaluate what is most important in your life. And we all know that when we serve other people, when we do something out of the kindness of our hearts, we can't help but feel good and be blessed and be happy. So pay it forward this month. If there's somebody in your mind that you've been thinking about, reach out to that person, ponder what you can do to help them, to bless them, to surprise them. I encourage all of us to do that with at least one person this month. So that's it for your December 2022 market update. Thank you for following my channel, for your business, for your referrals. Anytime you have any questions, you're welcome to call or text me. I'm so grateful for you in my life, and I really hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you soon.